What up? It's Matt. Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. If you saw my last video, you know that the issue we were dealing with was the door latch striker. And I got a number of comments on my video, both on YouTube and on the Mustang forums. So, I haven't done anything with it since I finished the video, but the door appears to be opening and closing fine. So I'm not sure if I still need to do any adjusting on the door latch striker. Also, somebody had mentioned opening the door to see and then seeing if it has any play. When it's open, it does not appear to be the case. It doesn't really move up and down too much. So it's a little bit cold today, but if I have some time, I might try to mess around a little bit more with the door latch striker. I know some people had said that it was too far up, and I don't know if that meant if this piece, like if the back part of it is like angled too far up, or if it's like too far out, like if it needs to be like screwed in more or out more. I'm not sure. If anybody wants to try to explain that to me like I'm 5, then maybe we can get that figured out. But I'm not super worried about it for now. I do want to make sure it's the way it's supposed to be. A couple other folks, I need to review the comments, but a couple other folks said some things about the way that it lines up, I think, with the, I don't know if it was the body molding, or I can't remember. I'll look at them again and respond accordingly. In other news, I dropped off the dude Stang today at the body shop, and I requested so my insurance company gave me a rental car, which I took because the body shop's like 30 minutes away, and my wife has the Subaru for a couple days of escaping. And I asked for something comparable in the sport category. Let me show you. Look at this monstrosity. It's a freaking Nissan Armada. It's a tank. Look at this thing. It's freaking huge. Look at the size of the stock wheels. They are 20-inch wheels, 275s in the front. It's crazy. It's freaking massive. Look at the rear bumper. It's got Alabama license plates. This thing is freaking huge. Maybe if I'm bored, I'll do like a more extensive review of this vehicle. But I have to say, driving it was okay. But the infotainment system is absolute garbage. And even more so after coming from the Subaru Forester, which has like Apple, what is it called? Apple CarPlay and like a seamless Bluetooth function. It's ridiculous. So yeah, my choices were some like really small Hyundai, a small Mitsubishi SUV, and then this like giant full-size tank machine. So I have that probably at least until the end of the week. I mean, I'm not going to be doing a lot of driving in it, but I guess it's cool to have something different for a few days. I don't know. I have to say I have rented a Nissan Rogue a few years ago, which I did not love. And then a Nissan Pathfinder, which was actually pretty nice. It was a more, it might have been like a 2016 or 2017. And then, of course, if you saw my, any of my stuff about SUV crossover shopping, my wife and I really liked the new Rogue, which is a complete redesign, but the legroom kind of sucks on the passenger side, so it's not great for someone who's my height. Yeah, but tank machine. I guess maybe I should take advantage of all that space and like haul some stuff around. I don't know what. Maybe this trunk lid that I don't freaking need anymore. What up? It's a day later and I just got a text notification that the dude staying is done. So I will not be driving the monstrosity known as the Nissan Armada for much longer. I actually don't know if I'll be able to pick up the car today because I'm pretty busy with work, but I will attempt to pick it up either later today or tomorrow morning. Might not even have time to do a quick review of the monstrosity. So anyways, it is actually kind of nice today, so I might try to do a little bit of work on the Fox if it's still reasonably warm when I get done working. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Anyways, just wanted to share a quick update. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for more videos. Peace out.